Welcome to the Architectural Presentation Masterclass. This isn't just another rendering tutorial, and definitely not a repetitive course. First, we import a clean, unwrapped villa model that we've prepared for you, ready to drop straight into Unreal Engine. In the next chapter, we'll build our level environment using two powerful Gaea methods, one as a full landscape and the other as fully customizable patches. By combining these approaches, we'll create a dynamic landscape inside Unreal that we can modify anytime we want. Next, we'll dive into creating a fully dynamic landscape material that perfectly matches the masks we generated in Gaea, and we'll fix common issues like displacement artifacts and texture tiling once and for all. Next, we jump into a full PCG deep dive, starting from absolute basics with a built-in mini-course for beginners. Then we level up and explore all the powerful new PCG updates in Unreal Engine 5.7 to build a fully dynamic environment. Next, we boost the realism by crafting a rich foliage setup, painting grasses, plants, and shrubs, and finally enhance the entire environment with additional Megascans meshes to make the scene feel fully alive and natural. Next, we take architectural presentation to the next level, turning your scene into an interactive game-like experience. You'll learn how to control the camera with the mouse, switch between multiple cinematic views, and explore the villa just like a real game. Next, we build a full first-person mode, letting the user walk freely inside the environment and explore every corner of the villa just like in a real game.